Khumuka isiqoko khumuka umakarabha amathaconsela entshebeni. Ilephu siyaqandula. Today's episode yesiqandulo podcast is brought to you by Kiwano Bailey Plus Tea. Itiyele loqeda imkhaba loqeda nya. Namhlanje siphethe insizwa very interesting. Lenkabi lena uBrown Mokgotsi. Abaningi bazoyikhumbula le ndoda ukuthi sithinteke kakhulu kulodaba leMadlanga Commission. Yaphinda futhi nayinkathi Commissioner waZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi before even qala iCommission walithinta kakhulu udaba layo ngenkathi drop enkulu engangenkuzimalanga eBombshell ngoJuly ukuthi hayi insizwa kaMkhosi impela hayi yayiloku yayikhipha nje indaba kuyena wayikhipha nje impela indaba kuyena wa-implicate inqwaba yabantu watshengisa ukuba umuntu onolwazi kakhulu kwaze kwathiwa ngempela who is Brown Mokgotsi. Ubani ngempela uBrown Mokgotsi usomabhizinisi lokhulunywa ngayo wase-Northwest. So now ila kuqale kwalandelwa khona futhi utholakala ukuthi impela uBrown Mokgotsi ubani wazana une-connection engaka uxhumene noSenzo Mchunu nobani koKhet Matlala lo muntu uyavela kanti ngempela lo muntu ubani. So now ziyaphuma-ke indaba-ke manje kamuva kuthiwa ngempela-ke ufikile Mbalula-ke kamuva uyithintile indaba kaBrown Mokgotsi emva kokuthinteka-ke kuyindaba yokuthumelelana imikhafazo. Singasho sithi phecelezi ama-SMS noma ama-WhatsApp messages yonke lonto leyo ethintwa ubaba uGeneral uKhumalo kwiMadlanga Commission indaba yilokhuza imiyalezo bebethumelelana yona ebenoKhet Matlala noma-ke laphana bokuvele ngokuthi uDlamini. Lokho okwenze ukuthi kube khona udadewethu undodakazi othize noma usisi othize wale-Swatini ogcine segaxela nawo usenza Home Affairs ngoba kusolakala ukuthi uyena engathi walungisela umfo kaMatlala lona uVusi Matlala i-ID yaseSwazini yokuthi abizwe uDlamini ngalathi nasimaze uMatlala ngale uDlamini. So kuvela lapho ukuthi bexhumana nomfo kaMkhosi uBrown Mokgotsi bokuvela ukuthi uMatlala uDlamini. So ilo daba lolo-ke kubonakala ukuthi beziningi izindaba abebeyidiscussa lapho-ke lelitholeke iyona-ke indoda ye-intelligence lena-ke umfo kaMbulazi uKhumalo. Manje-ke nayi-ke zimilana-ke manje kugaxela abani-ke manje ufikile Mbalula uSecretary General we-ANC. Ufikile ugaxela ngokuthini na ugaxela ngokuthi ngokuthi kubonakala ukuthi Mr Brown Mokgotsi is associated with a controversial businessman uKhet Matlala. Kufanele impela-ke akadingakali kwe-ANC futhi akuyena umuntu ofanele abe yilunga le-ANC. Kufanele nje kwe-ANC akhishwe lo muntu lo, kufanele axoshwe ke-ANC. So manje-ke kwasho ukuthi-ke manje uthinte ngathintwa hayi uthinte usukela iy'nkinga zey'hlalelwa usukela uy'qandu impela zamqandula-ke manje hayi le nkunzi lena impela-ke hayi cha nkosi yami hayi yakhahlelwa ihashe esifubeni. Wena wabona umuntu wakhahlelwa ihashe esifubeni besathuswe yindaba ayitshela uMkhwanazi. Manje-ke uqhamuka lezinye-ke manje kuthiwa ngithinte uzobona. Uyazi leyo ukuthi ke ngihwathe utlabona ngithinte uzobona. uMr Mokgotsi usephenduke-ke waba uMkgotsi. Usho ukuthi umngani wethu sonke manje uMkgotsi ngoba hayi sengathi umuntu wabanye abantu afanele bavikelwe impela ngoba cha kuningi akwaziyo kuningi asazosisiza ngako futhi kusho ukuthi impela uyafuna ukufakwa phansi kwalelo hlelo lokuthiwa i-witness protection ngoba cha izindaba ayikhiphayo ugeqa amagula. Wena owathi wabona umuntu wakhahlelwa ihashe esifubeni impela kuhlali lutho la uthi nje this chest is very clean. Abanye bathi cha beka lana beka endlini kaGoloko lama bedlala ibhola kuthiwa beka la esifubeni beka endlini kaGoloko yena uthi endlu kaGoloko semura. Akuhlali lutho la ningalethi lutho la ngoba mina ngizolibeka ngeke ngibeke ebusuku ngizoyibeka emini kabha ngeke ngize ngibuzwe nokuthi kwenzakalani ngizoyikhiphela mina indaba. Hayi yabona indaba ayikhipha manje ithe unele washo njalo uMbalula wavele wathi hey uMbalula uyangazi mina wabuza wathi weMbalula wazini ngoVusi khekhe. Angithi ngikhomba uVusi wami nami uVusi Matlala nami ngizokhomba uVusi wakho ukuthi wazini ngoVusi khekhe umfo kaMathibela wasePitoli lo wagwetshwa iminyaka ewu-30 ebhadle ejele ngenxa yokuthinteka noma ukusolakala ngecala lokusoconga usomabhizinisi wase-Northwest Andile Bhozwana. Hey Shuba lapho-ke indaba, shuba lapho-ke la ifike ishuke khona lapho indaba ngoba uthi umfoka Mokgotsi uthi 2 days before the assassination of Andile Bozwana, 2 days before ubulawa u-Andile Bozwana, wabonakala uFikile Mbalula enoCat, hayi man, no not Cat, bangiphaza, enoVusi Khekhe umfoka Mathibela. Babona 2 days before kubulawa u-Andile Bozwana, and futhi kuyatholakala ukuthi bebekwi-trip, bake baba kwi-trip naye eyaphesheya. What was Mbalula doing ne-criminal? Ngoba phela-ke ngithi phela ugcine se-implicator, waboshwa ngenxa yokufa kuka-Andile Bozwana. Akugcini lapho-ke, nasi isigaxa. Hayi, siqandulwe ngempela-ke manje, siqandulwe ngempela-ke. Yezwa-ke manje, yezwa, yaqandulani. Uthi, nayi indaba, u-Andile Bozwana watsheleka uFikile Mbalula imali amamitha. Imali engangemitha. Asifuni namagumba, sifuna amamitha. Uthi wamtsheleka imali ngemitha etsheleka uFikile Mbalula, namhlanje uFikile Mbalula akazayibuyise leyo mali. Ayisuka, I'm packing my bags, ngiyabaleka manje South Africa, I'm running away. Imiliyoni u-Andile Bozwana somabhizinisi waseNorth-West walitsheleka uFikile Mbalula, uFikile Mbalula akazalibuyise kuze kube namhlanje. Manje now izala le ndaba, he is implicating uFikile Mbalula. Usiyamfaka manje uFikile Mbalula ukuthi cha, Fikile ngathi safanele uyophendula laphana kwiMadlanga Commission. Uthi uBrown, mina I'm ready, I can go in time kwiMadlanga Commission. And futhi siyamdinga, akumele impela kukhulu eza nawo. Uthi how can wona Fikile Mbalula utshele u1 million u-Andile Bozwana, uBozwana akutshele ukuthi u1 million rand. Then 2 days before Andile Bozwana afe, wona ubonakala nomuntu obulele u-Andile Bozwana. Ekubeni 1 million rand, and futhi akazuyibuyisa kuze kube namhlanje. Until today akazayibuyisa. And futhi wena Fikile usazothula ngoba lapha eFree State, njengoba wase-Free State nje, unkosikazi wakho uthinteke kakhulu kwiskandal sokwakha izindlu lapha. Uthi uzongithulela wena Fikile. Fix. Akushubile nkabi yami. No. Ngathi le ndaba ngisayithatha kude mina. Nangu umuntu esikhuluma ngaye, uBrown Mokgotsi. Ngathi ngcono ayikhulumele yena. Ake nimuzwe ukuthi uthini.
The way Fikile is doing all the actions he made. Let me give you one. He traveled with Vusi Khekhe abroad. Vusi Khekhe has been convicted and sentenced for the killing of Andile Bozwana. It was also shown that he was with Vusi Khekhe 2-3 days before Andile Bozwana was murdered. I know Bozwana's family. You know, with our interaction, they showed me some proof that actually Bozwana gave Fikile Mbalula 1 million rand and he promised to pay it back. Today the money is not paid. I'm saying, in as much as he was with Vusi Khekhe, currently Vusi Khekhe has been sentenced. Do we have to label him? Do we have to tell him you can't be a member of the ANC? You are traveling with someone who's been convicted and sentenced? That's what I'm saying. That the same applies to his wife in Free State. She was involved in a housing scandal, where Fikile is a direct beneficiary because his husband. Do we have to say, no, you can't be a Secretary General because now your wife is implicated? He's using the name Brown Mokgotsi to actually attack his target. And that target is Senzonku. This whole thing that led to Madlanga Commission, the target is Senzonku. You need to check something very important here. Everyone, whether working or employed, for you to be employed, you produce a curriculum of time. Nobody writes on his CV that I'm a thief. So meeting with Cat Matlara, if ever he has done something wrong elsewhere, he didn't tell me. Every businessman will never tell you that I'm a thief or whatever. The things you are discussing, what you are discussing at that moment. Take us back to the right platform which is coming now. He's a businessman and a businessman, but remember the commission is coming, where I'll be able to actually go deeper about my involvement. You know, I'm not a well-off businessman, but the amount mentioned there is 150,000 through that one in Geneva. I cannot extort that amount of money. CAT was assisting not necessarily delegates, comrades who were attending the general eat. There's a message where I asked him to give somebody the Eastern Cape 10,000, he didn't give it. Or another one was about 12,000. It's not to solicit, it's not to extort that amount of money. If there was a message which says, CAT gave me 5 million and the next thing he was appointed.
Hayi bafana bomlungu zikamile, hayi bafana bomlungu ngiqeda isikhathi senu ngeke. Uthi umfoka Mkhotsi cha. Kuyanikelwa nje enhlanganweni. Osomabhizinisi bayanikela ngalokho abanakho njengayo uCat Matlala kuyanikelwa. Yani yini baba generous. Yeah. Nini inkinga yenu uthi nomona ni. Nomona uma uCat enikela enhlanganweni esiza uyasiza. Hey man. Ngicela nishayele uBrown Mkhotsi inkuzmalanga ehlo. Hayi. Wena athi nomona wena. Iwazi indaba ingoba usubscribe. Cela subscribe ulike i-channel yethu. Sibonga kakhulu. Thanks for watching. Hayi indoda yegaxa, indoda yakhahlelwa kashe esifubeni. Brown Mkhotsi. Danko. Siyashibilika shibirishi. Danko.